Okay guys, so today I went to Target and I got version 4 of Persona because I was waiting to get my taxes done for 2 hours, so I'm like, I will treat myself. So this is what happened. I pre-ordered the second version of this, so yeah, we'll get to it. I always have to pre-cut this because the plastic is always so hard. Okay. I'm gonna just take everything out. Okay, we'll start with the poster. I like how it comes with the poster with the CD. I like that. Instead of having to get it separately. So, this is the poster. You guys can see it. But, yeah, so that's the poster. I'll fold this later. And then there's the album, and then this comes out. I had to watch unboxing to see which version I wanted of the album, but I got 2. Well, I'm getting the other one, so oh, I like this. I don't know, like wine, like I don't know. I like this. What version do you guys like the most? Like, I mean, all of them are really cool though, like, but, you know, not everybody has the money to buy all of them. I never do, unfortunately. I wish. Maybe one day I make a lot of money and I have, like, a whole room full of, like, K-pop stuff. That would be the day. Look at that. I try not to make too long of an unboxing video because I don't know how long you guys would watch an unboxing video that was really long, unless I was doing multiple of them. Dude, like, ugh. And I like how this photo book actually comes out and it's not like stuck in the album, you know? I love his pink pants though, like J-Hope's, and then the rest is probably, I don't know, I'm not sure what this is. So, I'm not sure what my camera is doing. And then this is all like the credits and stuff. I don't know if you guys really want to see all of that. There's that. Why is my camera like... That's so weird, you guys. I'm so sorry. I don't know what that is. This is the notes. Here's the notes. And then the strip, I think it's always the same. There you go. That's good. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. Look at Jungkook. Oh, that's cute. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. This is just this. And then, uh-oh. Big reveal, you guys. Eek. Ooh, Jin. Okay. These are not my biases, but I do love them. Like, I love everybody in BTS, so this is pretty good. I'm happy with my poll. So that was the unboxing of a version 4 of BTS's Persona. And once I get the version 2 one, I'll be doing that video along with my just 2 of Yukyum and JB. And I'll be making a special BTS video as thanks for me reaching 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. I'm gonna be more up to date with my channel from now on. So, ooh, that looks nice. Look at that. So Until my next video, Team Wayne.